Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Boba milk tea has very little nutritional value. A lot of sugar, the tapioca bubbles are pure carbs. The milk in it is powdered milk, very high in fat. All in all, in most places bubble tea will be more than a chemical cocktail full of empty calories. So it will not kill you or anything, but it's not exactly healthy.
Take our lead.
A 19-year-old girl has died after choking on her bubble tea in China, as a result of 3 pearls getting stuck in her windpipe. According to Malaysian media Siwa Daily News, SHDN, the incident happened on the morning of June 30th, when the girl was on the way to visit her friend and decided to buy bubble tea. 15 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Doctors say large amounts of tapioca starch can be hard to digest. Sacramento, CBS 13, can you have too much boba? For one 14-year-old in China, the answer is yes. She had to be hospitalized after more than 100 tapioca balls were found stuck in her stomach. 12 June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bubble tea can definitely make you gain weight as it adds on to your daily calorie intake. 1 cup of bubble tea can contain at least 370 calories. The boba, or bubble alone is 150 calories, dietitian Kong Won Fei was quoted saying. Drinking bubble tea will not cause diabetes directly. 13 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bad news for fans of the colorful novelty drink called tapioca tea, or boba tea. The sugary specialty beverage, generally milk-based and filled with chewy balls of tapioca, may also include cancer-causing chemicals known as polychlorinated biphenyls or PCBs, the Daily News reports.
Take our lead.
Diet plays a role. The amount of water that people drink could make them more or less constipated. Someone drinking too much boba and getting a big blockage is kind of extreme. But, the sugar in bubble tea could contribute to constipation by making someone more dehydrated. 12 June 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You may not know, however, that the tapioca we use is a refined product whose parent plant is filled with dangerous toxins that, absent proper preparation, can result in cyanide poisoning and possible death. The 28th of November 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.